Welcome to Vansdirect, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Renault Kangoo. Starting at the front of the vehicle, we've got low-level black bumper trim for low-level bumps and scrapes. We've got the new striking Renault grille with a prominent Renault badge in the middle. Halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights are also fitted too. Working our way to the side on the Kangoo, we've got these Continental Eco-Contact tyres with the 16-inch alloy wheels. Now, comes on standard on Kangoos are 16-inch steel wheels, but on this particular model, which is the Advance, they are alloys. We've got a large, highly visible wing mirror here with built-in indicator too. Moving our way to the side of the Kangoo, it has not one but two side loading access doors, making a great access to the loading compartment, which has 1.8 meters of length from the doors to the bulkhead. The rear of the Renault Kangoo is fitted with low-level plastic bumper and reverse sensors. This particular model has two cameras at the rear of the vehicle, one that acts as your reversing camera and the other just mounted on the roof, which acts as the rear view mirror. The doors on this particular vehicle are 60/40 opening, providing plenty of access to the load space. They also have the facility to open at 180 degrees just by the simple switch of a button on the side of each door. This helps to provide excellent loading space for the vehicle. So inside the Kangoo, we notice that there's plenty of space, plenty of head height as well. We've got the dual passenger bench seat here. So as well as the load compartment and the glove compartment, we've also got more storage options up here too. So in front of us, we've got the steering wheel with speed limiter and cruise control as standard. We've also got manual air conditioning and the dials and controls for heating systems here. On this particular Advanced model, it comes with the automatic handbrake as well as the 6-speed gearbox. And then we've got the touchscreen just above here containing the infotainment system. Also, just above the infotainment system, we've got the rear view camera. So this is the one mounted on top of the roof, so it provides plenty of visibility that you don't usually get in a van. Three things that we love about the Renault Kangoo include the dual rear camera system, dual sliding doors and stylish exterior design. That's it for the Renault Kangoo. If you'd like any more information on this particular model or other vehicles in the Renault range, log on to vansdirect.co.uk.